Hello everyone, welcome to Doodle Garden. Today's alphabet adventure brings us to the exciting letter X, and X is for xylophone. So grab your pencils, get ready, and let's doodle our cute musical instrument together. Okay friends, now you will see the drawing come together step by step. Watch how each line builds our xylophone. Here comes the bars. The 3D sides. Feel free to pause the video anytime so you can follow along and draw each part at your own pace. The wooden base and even the little screws that hold each bar in place. And finally, the fun details, the big eyes, the smile, and the tiny hands holding the sticks. Great job, everyone! Now that all the lines are ready, let's add some color magic and turn our xylophone into a rainbow musical friend. Let's have fun! We are using bright rainbow shades. Do you know what they are? They go in this order: red, orange, yellow. Which colors would you choose for your xylophone, my friends? Can't wait to see your masterpiece. Remember, you can always share your creations with us on TikTok, Pinterest, or Instagram. Green, blue, purple. You know, my friends, each bar plays a different sound. Which one is your favorite note? Pink. Now I will use light brown for the eyes, arms, and the wooden base. Light pink for the tongue, and red inside the mouth. If this xylophone starts dancing, I won't be surprised. It looks so happy. X is for xylophone. Tap tap away. Colorful bars make music all day. Xylophone magic in every tone. Let's dance to the beat of the letter X xylophone. And there we have it. Look at our colorful xylophone, all ready to play its do-re-mi notes. Thanks for doodling with us today. The letter X was so much fun. Don't forget to come back for more alphabet adventures here on Doodle Garden Art Hub. See you next time. Thanks for watching.